we're just about ready to move this. And as you can see, there's not much room between the top of this and the ceiling fan. We're gonna have to tilt this down, so I'm gonna have to turn the ceiling fan off, turn the light off, and see this top, it just lifts up, see? It's a whole piece that's gonna lift up here. And with two people, I think it's gonna be easy enough to slide it and shimmy it down. And for this, I don't wanna wear any gloves on anything that had any black tar on it or anything. This is nicely pre-finished and everything, so I don't want to get any stain marks or any dirty fingerprint marks on there. I'm going to have to be as careful as I can on it, and I want to show you that if I can take this apart, if I can do it, you can do it. Let me go get her and see if she can help me now. Hey, while I'm ready, waiting for her, this is called the original patented Thera Sauna. And here, see this? Dry infrared health sauna. This is dry heat. This is what you want. Yes, I want you to wedge yourself back there because you're going to have to lift the middle of it and slide it out. And once we slide it out this way, because the ceiling fan's here, we're going to lift it here and then we're going to lower it down, tilt it, and we're going to put it right down in this carpet mat. Okay? It'll work.
Good.
You want this? You want this side?
I don't know.
You can take that side. Just lift it a little bit and see how it feels. Ready?
Heavy.
1, 2, 3.
It's
Up a little
heavy.
bit. Okay, you're good.
It's heavy.
Swivel it out. Come on. Just a little at a time. Think small. Keep it flat. Keep it flat. Come on, lift your right hand side up a little bit. There you go. We're doing it. Okay, now let's lower it straight down. Like this. Swivel it.
Like this?
Yes. Right down on the ground. Right on the pad. Look at that. Okay?
That's how it's done.
The first step. Okay, now we can take a look at that, but now we're going to take this outside. Just kind of hang on to it. You got it? Hang on to it. Whew. Okay, that wasn't so bad, was it?
No, it wasn't.
Okay, we're going to take this out to the storage area that I've got all set up. I've put carpet pads just like that down on the floor in the storage so we can be real nice with this stuff, because when we put it back together, we don't want any nicks or gouges on it or any marks or anything, right?
Right.
Okay, let's do it. Now comes the tricky part. We've got to get this glass door out of here, and the question becomes, which screws do we take out? Do we take these screws out up against there because they're on both sides? You see, there's some back in there too, but there's two screws here. I don't really want to take these screws out because then putting the glass back in there, if you tighten it, if you don't tighten it too much, you tighten it too much, you could crack this glass. I'm having an idea that we shouldn't take that hinge off there. What do you remember what they did, Laura?
No, I don't have a clue. I can't remember.
Because see, I think what's going to happen, I'm going to have to get in there and close the door so I can undo the screws on the inside.
I don't think they did that.
And then I'll put a little piece of carpet pad underneath here, and then I'll be able to undo these screws with the door closed, and then we'll just kind of lower it down, swivel this door out. I really hate to...
I don't think that's what they did.
I know, they probably didn't, but I think we may have to do it that way.
No, because it comes...
Well, here, hold that open.
It comes like a Lego. You know.
I know. Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
the last thing-
but see, I could take these two screws off and take those two screws off, and then we'd have to slide the door out of the little groove. Is that what you want to do?
So the last thing they put on was the roof, and then before that we had these two screws.
Okay, we're not. I know.
Well, and then the door was put in.
See, this is
Just
all
trying to back
together.
back it out because that's all I remember. I just saw
I
the
know.
roof, and then those two screws in the door.
But I think,
I don't think so.
well, we've got to get this glass door out of here. I don't want to take this door out along with the wall sections. Okay.
Well, maybe that's how it came in, so it wouldn't break.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I think I'm gonna undo the screws on the inside. I'm gonna go in and undo the screws. Well, how would you do it?
We're gonna take those 2 screws out from the bottom and see what happens, because that was because I actually did those 2 screws.
What, take these
Yeah.
2 screws out here,
Yes.
and then you think this whole panel's gonna slide out with this panel from here to there,
I'm thinking,
along with the glass, and we're gonna leave the door in it?
intact.
Well, okay.
Let's try that.
It's just when we carry it, we're gonna have to be careful that the door doesn't want to swivel open. Well, let me get up there. I'll get up there and take a quick look. I'm sure in their palette they probably had this glass done a slightly different way. I'm not sure though. I'll take a quick look and see.